Welcome to Cooking with Sarah, the cocktail edition from Caddy's Discount Liquors. Today we're gonna make a famous Moscow Mule. It has 3 simple ingredients and we're gonna start right now. First, I'm gonna take this really neat copper mug. These copper mugs are traditional for a Moscow Mule or any type of mule. All right, the first ingredient we're gonna add, Moscow, Russia, vodka. We're gonna add 1.5 ounces. The next ingredient we're gonna add is our ginger beer. You're gonna wanna add about 3 ounces of the ginger beer. Juice half of a lime directly into the mug. We're gonna give this a slight stir. Now you're noticing that I didn't actually use a martini shaker. I love to use a martini shaker, but with the carbonation of the ginger beer, that would not be a very good combination. You would make a big mess. All right, so we're just gonna do our little lime garnish. The ginger gives it that spiciness. The vodka gives a really smooth finish. It almost doesn't even taste like you're drinking anything with alcohol. But we do live in Tennessee, so why don't we put a little bit of a Tennessee edge on it? Instead of using vodka, we're gonna use Lynchburg's own Jack Daniels. Same ratio that you used with your vodka. All right, pour directly over the ice, just like we did before. Then I'm gonna come back and finish with the ginger beer. Now again, for personal preference, you could change up the ratios if you want, but this is the traditional method. Oh, that is tasty. This is really good. It has that same spice from the ginger that our original Moscow Mule had, but it has the depth and the smokiness and that wonderful Jack Daniels that is unmistakably Jack Daniels flavor. We've got the basic measurements on how we're gonna make a mule. So why not take something a little bit different and make a Kentucky Mule? So you're gonna add 1.5 ounces of this great Woodford Reserve bourbon. If it were me, I'd probably add a few little sprigs of mint to give it a little flourish, kind of like a mint julep. So take some time to enjoy the end of winter, the beginning of spring, spice it up, put it on ice, and enjoy with your friends and family.